Hi friends, welcome back to PNC Exclusive Maths. Today I am going to continue the part 3 explanation of pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope you understood my previous topics. It is continuation of that some important exercise problems. Now let me start with exercise 4.1 problems. So first bit, by computing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. So first question, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0, equation 1. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0, equation 2. Now comparing these two equations by ratios, A1 by A2 is equals to 5 by 7, B1 by B2 is equals to minus 4 by 6. By simplification, 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 2 by 3, and C1 by C2 is equals to minus 8 by 9. So therefore, the ratios are A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Hence, the given pair of linear equations, are intersecting lines. So that is, they have unique solution. Now coming to second question, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0, equation 1. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equals to 0, equation 2. Comparing ratios, A1 by A2 is equals to 9 by 18. That's by simplification, 9 ones are 9 twos are. That is equals to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equals to 3 by 6. By simplification, 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. And C1 by C2 is equals to 12 by 24. By simplification, 12 ones are 12 twos are 1 by 2. Therefore, comparing ratios are become A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Hence, the given pair of linear equations are coincident lines. That is, they have many solutions. So now third question, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0, equation 1. 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0, equation 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equals to 6 by 2. By simplification, 2 1s are 2 3s are. That is equals to 3. B1 by B2 is equals to minus 3 by minus 1. So, by simplification, minus will get cancelled. That is equals to 3. And C1 by C2 is equals to 10 by 9. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Hence, the given pair of pair of linear equations are parallel lines. That is, they have no solution. So friends, let's move on to the second bit. So equations are 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0, equation 1, and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0, equation 2. So equation 1 becomes y is equals to minus 2x plus 6. Y is equals to minus 2x plus 6. And equation 2 becomes y is equals to 4x minus 4 by 2. 4x minus 4 by 2. Now, comparing the ratios of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Therefore, a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 4. By simplification, 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equals to 1 by minus 2. It is equals to minus 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equals to minus 6 by minus 4. Minus minus gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2. Therefore, the comparing ratio of these two equations becomes a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, the given pair of equations are intersecting lines. So these two equations solving by graphical method, y is equals to minus 2x plus 6, x comma y, if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to minus 2 into 0 plus 6 is equals to 6. 0 comma 6. If x is equals to 3, then y is equals to minus 2 into 3 plus 6 is equals to minus 6 plus 6. It will is equals to 0. The point is 3 comma 0. These 2 points plotted in the graph. So first point 0 comma 6. X axis is 0, y axis is 6. X axis is 0, y axis is 6. 0 comma 6. Then second point 3 comma 0. X axis is 3, y axis is 0. 3 comma 0. So draw a straight line through these 2 points. So the line represents 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Coming to the second equation, x, y is equals to 4x minus 4 by 2 x comma y. If x is equals to minus x is equals to substitute 0, then y is equals to 4 into 0 minus 4 by 2. 0 minus 4 by 2 by simplification, that is equals to minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Similarly, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 4 into 1 minus 4 by 2. 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0 by 2 is equals to 0. Point is 1 comma 0. Similarly, these 2 points are plotted in graph. 0 comma minus 2. X-axis is 0, y-axis is minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Then next point, 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. X-axis is 1, y-axis is 0. Then draw a straight line through these 2 points. Line represents 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So these 2 lines intersect. These 2 lines intersect two comma 2. 2 comma 2. So the solution of given equations are x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. Therefore, the solution, required solution of given pair of equations is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. Let's go with next problem. 10 students of a class 10 took part in a math quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. So let number of boys be x and number of girls be y. By problem, if the number of girls means y is equals to, if the number of girls 4 more than the boys 4 more than the boys. So therefore equation becomes x minus y is equals to minus 4. X minus y is equals to minus 4. Here total number of students are 10. That is x plus y is equals to 10. Equation 2. These two equations solving by graphical method. Equation 1 becomes y is equals to x plus 4. Y is equals to x plus 4. Therefore x, y is equals to x plus 4, x comma y. If x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. If x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to minus 4 plus 4 is equals to 0. So x comma y first point 1 comma 5, second point minus 4 comma 0. These 2 points plotted in graph sheet. So first point 1 comma 5, x axis 1, y axis 5, 1 comma 5. Then second point minus 4 comma 0, x axis is minus 4, y axis is 0, minus 4 comma 0. Draw a straight line through these 2 points. So the line extended on both sides. The line extended on both sides. So this line represents x minus y is equals to minus 4. Similarly, in the second equation, equation 2 implies y is equals to 10 minus x. Y is equals to 10 minus x. X comma y. If x is equals to 2, y is equals to 10 minus 2 is equals to 8, 2 comma 8. If x is equals to 4, y is equals to 10 minus 4, that is equals to 6, 4 comma 6. These 2 points plotted in graph 2 comma 8, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 8, 2 comma 8. Then second point 4 comma 6, x is equals to 4, y is equals to 6, 4 comma 6. So these, draw a line, these 2 points 4 comma 6, draw a straight line, these 2 points line represent x plus y is equals to 10. These 2 lines intersect. These 2 lines intersect. X is equals to 3, y is equals to 7. 3 comma, therefore the required solution of pair of equations is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 7. Hence, number of boys is equals to 3 and number of girls is equals to 7. Half the perimeter of a rectangle garden is 36 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than its width, find the dimensions of the garden. So let us see. This is a rectangle garden. So here it is. Length of the garden is 4 meter plus 4 meter more than its width. So now Let width of a garden is say x, then length y is equals to x plus 4. Let width of a garden be x meters, length of a garden be y meters. By problem, y is equals to x plus 4. It implies x minus y is equals to minus 4. This is equation 1. Similarly, half of the perimeter is equals to 36. It implies half into 2 length plus breadth is equals to 36. 2 gets cancelled here. X plus y is equals to 36. Equation 2. These two equations solving by graphical method. Equation 1 implies x y is equals to x plus 4 x comma y. If x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 plus 4, it is equals to 4. 0 comma 4, x is equals to 4, then y is equals to 4 plus 4, it is equals to 8. 4 comma 8. These 2 points plot in graph paper. 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. X is equals to 0. Y is equals to 4. 0 comma 4. Then next 4 comma 8. X is equals to 4. Y is equals to 8. 4 comma 8. Draw a straight line through these 2 points. So the straight line extending both sides. The line represents x minus y is equals to minus 4. Similarly, in the second equation, equation 2 implies x y is equals to 36 minus x, x comma y. If x is equals to 20, y is equals to 36 minus 20 is equals to 16. So 20 comma 16. If x is equals to 16, y is equals to 36 minus 16, 20. That is 16 comma 20. 20 comma 16, 16 comma 20. These 2 points plot in graph sheet. 20 comma 16. X is equals to 20. X is equals to 20. Y is equals to 16. Comma 16. Then second point, 16 comma 20. X is equals to 16. Y is equals to 20. So draw a line through these 2 points. The line represents x plus y is equals to 36. These two straight lines are intersect at 16 comma 20. 16 comma 20. That is x is equals to 16. Y is equals to 20. Length of a rectangle. Length of a rectangular garden. X is equals to, Y is equals to 20 meters and width of a garden X is equals to 16 meters. Friends, thank you for your valuable time. I hope you understood these problems. If you have any doubts, put in comment box. My next video is on 4.2 exercise problems on this same topic. So friends, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.